Birds are just like any best friends. And sometimes best friends can be competitive, right? So now there's me, Blue, and Azul. And today we'll battle it over who's the best in the basketball game. So let's wait for our birds. I'll be inviting you guys into the groups. Now for the boys that here cheer for Blue, say, Go Blue! Go Blue! And for the girls that here cheer for Azul, say, Go Azul! Go Azul! So are you guys ready for the basketball game? Again, louder, are you guys ready for the basketball game? Alright, birds ready? Trainers ready? Now first ball for Bumpers, second ball for Blue, and the Blue is this game. So it's okay, Azul. So I guess Azul deserves another race. So now let's do a ring race. So the mechanics of this game is the first bird who can drop all 3 rings into the pool the fastest is the winner. And that is a ring race. So are you guys ready for the second round? Now birds ready? Streamers ready? Set, go! Let's go birds, let's go Azul! Now first ring for Blue. Second ring for Blue. Oh man, nice, nice! Azul has got all 3 rings at the same time. How clever was that? So trainer Nix, if you see that 3 rings at the same time, what can you say? What's the trainer under you guys cheated? What was that, cheating?
We didn't cheat. Azul just used her break.
So a round of applause for Blue and Azul. Now this time, I need 1 adult volunteer with a 20 peso bill. Please raise your hand. Again, I need 1 adult volunteer with a 20 peso bill. Sorry kids, I need an adult. Again, I need 1 adult volunteer with a 20 peso bill. If you don't have 20, 50 pesos or 100 pesos will do. Okay, sir, you're correct. Please join me here in front and bring with you your money bill. So as you all notice, most of the birds here are parrots. That's because parrots are highly intelligent, charismatic, colorful, and musically inclined. So hello, sir. Good afternoon. So please stand right here. Sir, please stand right here. Now I want you to face the table and extend your left arm like this. So I'll be inserting your money bill between your fingers. So whatever happens here, okay, do not move your arm. Okay, sir? So now, let's call it our money bird, Blue. Now Blue flies over. Picks the money. What's next, Blue? Blue flies back on the table and Blue wants to donate the money. So sir, let me ask you, are you okay with your 20 peso bill for donation?
Yes, for sure.
So okay lang sir, how about let's do a second round. Second round, 500 peso bill this time. So sir, actually this showcase is just part of the show. We're going to return back the money, but first, Blue wants a photo picture for a souvenir. So just follow trainer Nick's instructions. Now smile together with our money bird, Blue. Goldie. So just a friendly reminder, if our trainers will roam around with the birds, please do not try to touch or reach our birds. Okay, again, please do not try to touch or reach our birds. Thank you. So now let's call it Bandit, Red, and Goldie. So that right there is Bandit. So that right there, which means next is Goldie, and here with me is Red. So first up on your right, there which means Andre is our green-winged macaw bandit. Now that macaw is mostly covered with red plumage. Its wings and tail feathers are colored blue and green. Now that macaw has a white naked face striped with small red feathers. Its scientific name is Arabidopterus. Now bandit, say hi to them, bandit. Hi! This time, bandit, say hi. Hi! So up next, there which is our blue and gold macaw Goldie. Now blue and gold macaw has a beautiful shade of blue on its back and a solid shade of yellow on its belly and inner wing. Its eyes and feet are solid black. Its scientific name, Araraumi. Now those birds can typically be found in Peru, Brazil, Bolivia, and Paraguay. Now here in Secoshing Park, we have 3 blue and gold macaws. We have Blue, Azul, and Goldie. So earlier on the basketball was Blue and Azul. And then later Goldie will also have her segment. So up next here with me is our Eclectus parrot wren. Now Eclectus parrots are very unusual in the parrot family. That's because of their extreme sexual dimorphism, meaning they can easily distinguish between a male and female Eclectus parrot. So right here is a female Eclectus parrot. That's because of her bright red colored feathers. Meanwhile, male Eclectus parrots have bright green colored feathers. So if it's red, it's females. If it's green, it is males. Now guys, did you know that parrots are monogamous, meaning they only have one partner their entire lifetime? Sana all. Now these birds are social animals. They love to fly together with their flocks, and during captivity, they're imprinted with their trainers. So Eclectus parrots can approximately live up to 13 years old. Meanwhile, our macaws, Bandit and Goldie, they can live up to 60 to 70 years old. And that is it for 3 different types of parrots here in Secoshing Park. Once again, our green-winged macaw bandit, our Eclectus parrot red, and blue and gold macaw Goldie. Now parrots in particular are intelligent and perceptive. That is why we continue to enhance their skills so that they won't get bored. Now let's call it Bandit once again, and she's going to show us how to put back the shapes in their correct slots. Let's go, Bandit! Now parrots are intelligent, but they can remember even the smallest detail. They typically feed on seeds, nuts, fruits such as durian, rambutan, and papaya. And they also love corals. Right, that's it, bandits? And there you go, intelligent rhyme, round of applause for intelligent bird, bandits. ball, and I'm going to hide under one of these silver cups. So as you can see, they're all empty. Now, where do you want me to hide this object? On your left, right, or middle? Left, right, middle. So let's put it right here. So now let's call it our second bird, Goldie. Now guys, do you think Goldie has the ability to fly down with an object? If it's a yes, then you can cheer. You can do it, Goldie! Alright, Goldie, find that hidden object for us, please. Where can it be? Goldie searching, scanning each spot, and there you go! She found it! Round of applause for our second bird, Goldie. So earlier we have shown you our three different types of parrots. Now this time we are going to introduce to you our different types of cockatoos. Now cockatoos are birds recognizable by their proper crest and curved bills. So there are currently 21 living species of cockatoos all over the world. And here in Cebu Ocean Park we have three. We have our Philippine cockatoo snow, our sulfur-crested cockatoo Tweety, and our umbrella cockatoo Nigel. So once again, please do not try to touch or reach our beaks. So that right there between Hunter and Snow, here with me is Tweety, and that is Nigel. So first up here with me is Tweety, our sulfur-crested cockatoo. Now these birds prefer their habitat along the edges of tropical and subtropical rainforests. These birds are primarily white with black beaks and a distinctive sulfur yellow crest. So this is their crest. And yellow color under wing and tail. Its scientific name is Kakatua gaitita. So up next there between the is our umbrella cockatoo Nigel. Now umbrella cockatoos are also known as white cockatoos or the great white-crested cockatoos. That's because they're distinguishable among the other white cockatoos because of its holy white crest that raises like an umbrella. That's why they're specifically called umbrella cockatoos. Its scientific name is Kakatua umbrella. So if you were to compare Tweety, our sulfur-crested cockatoo, and Nigel, our umbrella cockatoo, clearly you can see that Tweety has a sulfur yellow crest. Meanwhile, Nigel up there, he has a pure white crest. And lastly, there between your hundreds are the looking cockatoos. Scientific name is Kakatua molensis. Now those birds are endemic in the Surround archipelago on eastern Indonesia. Those birds are also known as diamond-crested cockatoos. That's because of their pinkish white colored feathers. So in general, cockatoos are birds that are very loud and they can mimic almost any sound. And also cockatoos uses their nest feathers as a form of communication or indication of their mood, whether they're threatened, they're excited, or during mating. So our sulfur-crested cockatoo Tweety and our umbrella cockatoo Nigel, they can live up to 40 years. Meanwhile, Snow, our looking cockatoo, she can live up to 70 years. And that is it for 3 different types of cockatoos here in Cebu Ocean Park. Once again, Snow, our looking cockatoo, Tweety, our sulfur-crested cockatoo, and Nigel, umbrella cockatoo. Now first. Now the numbers have been shuffled. Let's call it our great mathematician. Excuse me. Okay, let's call it our great mathematician. Once again, let's call it our great mathematician, Snow. So once again, Snow, our good-looking cocktail. So Snow, our equation is 10 plus 4. Again, Snow, our equation is 10 plus 4. Alright, is Snow ready? Alright, Snow, please solve the equation for us. And she picks the first number 1. So is the first number correct? Alright, Snow, complete your answer please up to the second number. And there you go, 10 plus 4 is equals to 14. A round of applause for great mathematician, Snow. Now, our next featured birds are different among the parrots we showed. These birds are called raptor, or birds of prey. When I say raptor, it means to seize or to take by force. Now, there are 446 different types of raptors, but here in Cebu Ocean Park, we have 2 kinds of raptors. We have our Brahmin kind and our Philippine serpent eagle. Now, guys, before I call in our raptors, may I request everybody to please settle down, especially the kids. Again, please settle down and avoid reaching or grabbing the bird. Okay, again, please settle down and avoid reaching or grabbing the bird. And please vacate the center aisle, okay? No one should pass the center aisle. Excuse me, sir. Okay. Never mind. So first up, let's call it our Brahmin kind kingdom. There you go, our Brahmin kind, scientifically known as Alyastor eagles. These eagles can typically be found in the Indian subcontinents, Southeast Asia, Australia, and even here in the Philippines. In Australia, they're called sea eagles. Meanwhile, here in the Philippines, they're locally known as Tawi, or Bayon in the Visayas region. And that is it for Brahmin kind kingdom. Now up next, for our next raptor, let's call it our Philippine serpent eagle, Freddy. There you go, our Philippine serpent eagle, scientifically known as Aornis holosphelos. These eagles can typically be found in the major islands of the Philippines. Philippine serpent eagles are characterized by their well-defined spots on their feathers. Now, these birds usually prey on smaller birds, reptiles, rodents, snakes, and even fish. And as you can see, our trainer right there, she's wearing a glove. That is called the falconry gauntlet. It is used to protect their hands from the sharp talons and beaks. Now guys, just a fun fact, both Kingdom and Freddy are rescue birds. They're donated by the DENR. They arrived here during ECQ period 2019. So you might notice that we are walking Freddy. That is because Freddy is still currently under training. So it months from now, Freddy will fly across this stage. And that is it for Philippine Serpent Eagle, Freddy. Now up next, for flying birds, please look to your left. Presented are homing pigeons. And there you go, our homing pigeons. Homing pigeons have a special sense called magnetoreception. Now these birds can easily detect the Earth's magnetic field, perceive altitude, location, and direction. And that's it, our raptors and our homing pigeons. Now here in Cebu Ocean Park, we believe there is hope. Now guys, who knows the 3 R's of proper waste disposal? It is reuse, reuse, and recycle. Very good. Now let's call in our lovely bird once again. And he's going to show us the proper waste disposal. Now Earth is what we have in common. It's our responsibility to take good care of it. By simple means of proper waste disposal, brings big impact in saving our beloved Mother. It keeps our environment fresh and clean, saves the Earth from global warming, and reduces environmental pollution. See, Bandit can do it, so can we. So by the way guys, for those of you who want to have souvenir pictures with our lovely birds, so later after the show you can come here in front, but pictures will only be taken by our official photographer. So ladies and gentlemen, that is the end of our bird show. Now I present to you the birds and trainers that made the show possible. We have Trainer Mary up there as our DJ. We have Trainer Nix, our green wing commandant. We have Trainer Andre with our silver crested Dr. Wiki, and this is me again, Kappa, your host for today's show. But before you leave, Bandit wants to say something. And there you go, a happy new year to you all. Again, for those of you who want to have souvenir pictures with our lovely birds, you can come here in front, but pictures will only be taken by our official photographer. Happy New Year and thank you for visiting Cebu Ocean Park.